Our top focus at this hour is about the fury of monsoons which is on display across India. It is at its peak, specifically affecting Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and also Uttarakhand. Now at News 9, we're getting you visuals from across the country. Visuals on your screen from Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir and also Rajasthan, where the fury of monsoon is at its peak. In fact, we're getting you the most dramatic visuals from across the country, showing you how the monsoon is causing devastation across the country. Now, while we're at it, let's also get you more specific details about different parts. Heavy rain lashed parts of Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday amid an IMD forecast of intermittent heavy to very heavy rainfall over the next few days. Specifically in Kathua, flash flood surged with deadly force following a vehicle as it attempted to cross an overflowing stream. Visuals on your screen are showing you that incident from Kathua, in fact. Now, in this case, a key bridge near the Logat gate on the Jammu-Pathankot National Highway has suffered serious damage. In fact, continuous downpours have weakened and shifted the bridge's pillars, disrupting traffic on this vital key route. Now, the local administration has also been rushed to the spot. They have diverted vehicles to alternate route. Meanwhile, commuters and locals are facing major inconvenience here as movement along the highway remains affected still. We're getting you visuals from Kathua, where flash floods are causing major devastation, specifically affecting key vital routes. Now, in this case, we have seen a bridge, a key route getting affected, due to which there has been a lot of inconvenience to local people and commuters on that route. Now, this key bridge near the Jammu-Pathankot National Highway has suffered major damage. This is after flash floods surged with deadly force. In fact, they also swallowed a vehicle as it was attempting to cross an overflowing stream. We're getting you visuals from across the country, in fact, showing you how the monsoon is now causing devastation across different parts of the country. You have visuals from Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan as well, where the fury of monsoon is essentially at its peak right now. Now, specific visuals from Kathua as well, where flash flood surged with deadly force. They swallowed a vehicle as well as it was attempting to cross an overflowing stream. In fact, in this case, a key bridge has been impacted on the Jammu-Pathankot National Highway. These are visuals from Udhampur, where monsoon is also causing devastation. Remember, continuous downpours across Jammu and Kashmir. They've weakened and shifted the bridge's pillar, also disrupting traffic. They are blocking key routes across the region. Water from overflowing streams has now entered residential areas as well, as you can see. These are visuals from Kathua, where water from overflowing stream is now entering residential areas. Homes have been flooded. In fact, key vital routes, as you can see, have been impacted. People are finding it difficult to navigate through these key routes now. We're getting you visuals where essentially heavy downpour in Jammu and Kashmir is causing for streams to overflow, which has led to water now entering homes, shops as well. It's impacting the key routes in Jammu and Kashmir. Roads remain blocked. It's a major inconvenience for locals in the region as heavy downpour still continues. In fact, to get you more news, the cloud burst struck Gurez Bandipur Road as well, which was closed on Saturday evening. Now it has been reopened by BRO, which has immediately launched a massive clearance drive and worked throughout the night to restore traffic. In fact, it's not just Kathua that has been impacted. Riyasi has also been impacted due to this heavy downpour now lashing the region. Now let's shift our focus to Uttarakhand as well. A terrifying scene unfolding in the heart of Chamoli district. Now in the aftermath of a sudden cloudburst, the town of Tharali has been left battered and overwhelmed. We're getting you visuals from Chamoli where the rescue ops are still underway on the ground. Police, disaster management department, they've been rushed to the spot, and this comes after a cloudburst hit the district. In fact, rescue operation has been continuing throughout the night. Now in this case, the fury of monsoons was at its display in a very swift and merciless manner. In fact, heavy rains pounded the region, unleashing devastating floods across Tharali. Remember, the incident took place on late Friday, in fact. Now in the case, 2 people have been reported missing. The rescue operation are still on the ground. Meanwhile, all those who were injured due to the cloudburst incident, they have been airlifted to AIIMS Rishikesh. And the major road that has been impacted is the Tharali-Gwaldam road. Remember, it's a vital route for the region. It was damaged due to the cloudburst. And then a stream essentially consisting of mud, stones, wreckage as well swept through the district. The Chief Minister of the state has been taking stock of the situation. They have been closely monitoring the damage and trying to assess as well. They were showed all help to the victims of this cloudburst incident. The Chief Minister himself has been monitoring all the developments on the ground. Now remember, this cloudburst hit Chamoli district, and essentially a stream consisting of mud, sledge, stones swept away a very vital key route in this incident. In fact, homes, shops, they've also swept away. So essentially anything that came in the way of that stream was swept away. 2 people still remain missing, while the injured have been shifted to the hospital. The Tharali-Gwaldam road is the major highway that has been impacted in this. Now on the ground, the situation still remains tense. Rescue efforts are on, especially for those 2 people who have been missing. Meanwhile, the government is also trying to assess the damage. Rescue ops are still on. If you talk about the damage, now in this case, shops, homes, anything that came in the way of that stream that was the result of the cloudburst was swept away. Vehicles which were parked in the road were also swept away. Now let's also take you to Rajasthan. The state continues to reel under relentless rain. Specific areas such as Ajmer and Dausa, they've been witnessing continuous downpour for the last 24 hours. It has resulted in severe water logging in these areas. Visuals on your screen from Dausa as well. The severe water logging is being witnessed now. Specifically, streets in the low-lying areas, they're completely submerged. Road traffic has been impacted. In fact, according to residents, pothole-ridden roads, they have worsened the situation, specifically in the urban areas. In fact, in several areas, water has also entered homes, creating hazardous living conditions, which essentially means that the residential areas have also been impacted in urban areas. Now, the situation specifically in Dholpur remains intense. This is where the Chambal River is flowing at about 139.20 meters, way above the danger mark of 130.79 meters. When we talk about the forecast, viewers, the IMD has issued a red alert for East Rajasthan. They have warned of extremely heavy rainfall to continue till 28th of August, which means the coming days will also be very crucial. In fact, authorities have urged people to stay indoors, avoid non-essential travel if they can, and to remain cautious, specifically those who are living in the low-lying areas, because heavy rainfall is expected to continue in the coming few days, which means there could be instances of flooding and waterlogging. Visuals on your screen from Dausa, Rajasthan, where waterlogging is being witnessed after continuous rainfall continues to lash different parts of Rajasthan. Remember, specific areas including Ajmer and Dausa, they have been impacted severely as the rain has been continuing for the last 24 hours. This has resulted in waters essentially entering the residential areas, severe waterlogging in urban areas, and also rivers overflowing way above their danger mark, specifically Chambal River here. Now in urban areas, residents say that pothole-ridden roads, they have worsened the situation. Navigation has become difficult. Connectivity has been impacted. In fact, in several areas, water has also entered homes. So this has made the living conditions more hazardous. In Dholpur as well, the situation remains tense. So this is the fury of monsoons at a display across India. We've given you details of the specific areas. We're getting you the most dramatic visuals, in fact, here at News 9 from Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan as well. Viewers, this is the fury of monsoon in its peak, in fact. Several incidents of disasters, they've left behind a trail of destruction when we talk about Chamoli, in Jammu Kashmir as well. In Rajasthan, you are witnessing severe waterlogging due to continuous rainfall. So that is monsoon at its peak, in its full swing, in fact, across the country, leading to several incidents.